Alright, so it's Friday. This is BCA-155. We talked about promoting sites. We talked about the interviews, a little demo on video, and we talked a little bit about ads today and web search. Best ways to promote a site. So we talked about social media, relationships, podcasts, word of mouth. These are a couple I added today in class. Talked about data and how you get a target audience because of all the data that's collected nowadays. And then we went over interviews. Here are the questions that were discussed in class, and here are the interviews and how they're set up. Does anybody want to add any comments? The microphone's pretty good. It'll pick up from the classroom. Okay, so